me the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
どうかこんな僕とずっと死ぬまで Stay with me. Oh, we carry on. Oh, wherever you are, I always make you smile. Wherever you are, I'm always by your side. Whatever you say, I promise you forever, right now. Wherever you are, I never make you cry. Wherever you are, I never say goodbye. Whatever you say, I promise you forever, right now. 僕らが出会った日は二人とって一番きれい素敵だね。そして今日という日は二人とって二番目の記念すべき日だね。
Kita goyang lagi bro.